Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Again, I'm having another poem with me. This is the poem named Times. It is taken from the book 3 of first year level. The poem has been taken from the book Ecclesiastes. Ecclesiastes shows us stunning ways that the key to life is not life itself. Wisdom and money are all futile and folly. True happiness comes from centering our lives on God, not ourselves. So, now let's see the poem's text first. To everything there is a season, and a time to every purpose under the heaven, a time to be born and a time to die, a time to plant and a time to pluck up which is planted, a time to break down and a time to build up, a time to weep and a time to dance, a time to cast away stones and a time to gather stones together, a time to embrace and a time to refrain from embracing, a time to get and a time to lose, a time to keep and a time to cast away, a time to rend and a time to sue, a time to keep silence and a time to speak. Now let's see the meanings first. For example, the meaning of heaven. Heaven जन्नत को कहते हैं. Here it means under the sky, means our land, our earth. Then is pluck up. That means pull out, pull up a piece or something. The difficult word is cast away. That means throw away. Then embrace. That means hold closely in your arms or hug. Hold tightly or hold closely. Again a word which is a bit difficult, refrain. Refrain means avoid, avoiding. Get very simple word, it means achieve, obtain. Lose, suffer the loss, being depressed. And a time to cast away, again reject, cast away, reject, give up. Rend, that means tear. Wrench forcefully, tear, फाड़ना, मरोड़ना, तोड़ना, खोल देना, wrench forcefully. A time to sew, sew means fasten, join. Silence, then a time to keep silence means stop oneself from saying anything, that is silence. Now let's see the poem's explanation line wise. To everything there is a season. हर काम का एक मौसम होता है, एक वक्त होता है. And a time to every purpose under the heaven. And every object or every task you want to achieve on the land, there is the time to do that. A time to be born, पैदा होने का एक वक्त है. A time to die, इस दुनिया से जाने का भी एक वक्त है. Means there is time and this is decided. Time of birth is decided by God. Time of death is decided by God. A time to plant, एक वक्त होता है जब आप पौधे लगाते हैं, मौसम होता है पौधे लगाने का, शजरकारी करने का, बीजने का, कुछ बनाने का, उगाने का. A time to pluck up that which is planted. And then there are fruits or the outcome which comes out of the plants. And there is the time to pluck that which is planted. जो कुछ हमने प्लांट किया होता है उससे हम जो कुछ उगाते हैं उसे हासिल करने का वक्त होता है. मसलन किसान फसल लगाता है, उसके बाद उसको उगाता है, मेहनत करता है, पानी देता है और उसके बाद उस फसल को काटता है. मीन्स देयर इज़ द टाइम टू रीप और हार्वेस्टिंग and getting the fruit of that plants. A time to break down, then is the time when something is broken, when something is collapsed. And then